Today I'm going to use this old t-shirt. I've only got a little bit of it left. I've used it for a lot of different crafts. And I've cut a strip, and it's probably 2.5 inches by 2 feet. And now I'm just going to fold it in half like this. And I'm going to run some hot glue along the inside to attach the two sides together like that. And I'm going to do that all the way down. And now I've got my whole strip glued. And I'm going to cut it into small sections like that. And I'm cutting on the folded end. And I'm going to cut my entire strip like this. Like that, I've gone ahead and I've done my entire strip all the way down. And now I'm going to run a line of hot glue along here and I'm going to roll it up. If you don't have hot glue, you could always use some white glue. And then start rolling. Like that, I have it all rolled up. And here's how it looks from the front. If you'd like to turn this into a brooch, cut a circle of the same fabric like this. And I have a safety pin. And I'm going to fold this and cut a slit here and here. Like that. Pass your safety pin through like this. And now I'm going to place this on the back and I'm going to hot glue. And then you can just trim away the extra. Like that, and now you can use it as a brooch. And there's what it looks like from the front. You can just leave it like that, or you could spread it open in the center and glue in a button or bead. Like that. And this one was made from some plaid pajamas. And here's one made from broadcloth. And this one I left plain without a bead in the center, and it was just from another color t-shirt. So there you have a very easy flower that you can make from old clothing, old blouses, pajamas, t-shirts, sweatshirts, any kind of old fabric. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.